Welcome to Ask Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to check whether a value is not in a list in Python. Sometimes it is important to know if a value does not appear in a list. We can use the word not in this situation. For example, we are going to consider a list of users who are banned from a website. So we can check whether user have been banned before allowing them to register on our site. So we have a list of usernames, and then we are going to set another user value be James or just John, and then we are going to check with if condition if user which is John not in user names, and over here we are going to print some message. User dot title to print the value of our user. If the user is not our usernames which are in our banned list, then the user can register. So you can register on our site. Let's run our code and check the output. Now we can see the message over here. John, you can register on our site. So that user is not in our list of banned users. So we allow that user to register. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.